Hello everybody, welcome. Now today I'm going to do something, well I've done something last week I think it was, and it was a bit divisive. Well, I don't know if divisive is the right word. People liked it, people hated it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to revisit it. So it's going to be smash. People said I was doing it wrong. I say I've never ever done it before. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can get it right. I mean, when I done it, it was a bit bland and a bit sloppy. So I'm going to see if I can get it into proper mash. I say I've done it once, and that's the only time I've ever done it. The missus says that the kids used to have it when I was little. Well, I was at work, I can't remember. And I'd never ever made it before. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Right then, let me show you what I've got. I've still got my smash. I've got myself half a tablespoon of salt and some pepper. I've got myself 150 ml of milk. And I'm going to have a tablespoon of butter. Right, so I'm going to put, I think it's 30 gram, if I'm right. 30 gram of smash, yes? So I want to get 30 gram of smash. That wasn't me, that was the... Well, 30 gram of smash. $34, that'll do. A couple of gram here and there isn't going to hurt. So I've got 30 gram of smash. 150 ml of milk, so I'm going to put the milk in the saucepan and I'm going to boil it. I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to do one with milk and I'm going to do one with water. I'm going to see if I can get it the right consistency. So I'm going to get the hob on nice and low. I'm going to stick my milk in this one. I'm going to get it boiling with a tablespoon of butter. I say I've never ever done this smash before till the other day. And I didn't realise people liked it so much. So I'll let that boil in. I'll let that boil up. And then we'll get the smash in. We'll get that a mix and see if it works. Right, while that's boiling away, what I've done, I've measured another one out. And I've put 150 ml of water in. And I've got 33 grams in that. I think that was the same as that. I think it was 33 grams. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick a bit of butter. I'm going to stick a knob of butter in this one. As I say, I've never ever done it before, so I don't know. Stick a knob of butter in. I'm going to let that melt a second. Milk's boiling. So I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to put my smash in. And I'm going to mix. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to salt and pepper it as I go. I just want to see if I can get the mash consistency. People say you can. So I'm just going to keep going and seeing. Oh, it looks better already than what mine was, yeah. Looks a lot better than what mine was the other day. Absolutely. Well done to the people in the chat, are they? Yeah, look at that already. And the wife, she said that as well. Bit of salt and pepper in it now. And I'll taste as I go. Oh, that's proper mash. I'm very, very surprised. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, let me get a little spoon. Let me have a little taste. There it is, look. I put a tiny bit too much salt in. But that is mashed potato. To all you people in the chat, well done to you. Absolutely well done. I'm going to stick that one in the bowl. Let me stick that one in the bowl. It's mashed potato. I can't believe that. I thought people were pulling my leg, honestly. I honestly did. Now let's do this one. Let's put this one in. I'm going to mix. It's a bit hard to do this one with the camera. Let me see if I can get to the side. Oh my God, what did I do wrong last time then? Was it, I never put butter in or something? Put a little bit of salt in there now. Stick a bit of salt in. Some pepper. I can't believe that. I done it completely wrong, didn't I, the other time? Absolutely completely wrong. I think I must have had too much water in it last time or something, and I mean I didn't put any butter or anything in, but look at that. I'm absolutely surprised. I really am surprised. Let me have a little taste. There's that one. That one, just a little bit more salt. And a bit of pepper. I'm absolutely... I'll tell you something, now I've done that mash like that, I like that. I really, really do. Get another bowl. I can't believe it. That is proper mashed potato now, look. Right, I'm going to get Aunt Natalie to taste test them, because I know which one's which now. I'm going to see if she knows which one's going to be the best. So I'm going to bring her in to taste test, make sure I don't get them mixed up. Right, I've got Aunt Natalie here. She's going to taste test. She doesn't know which one's which is what I want. So I'm going to give her this one first. Let me know what you think. Might be a bit seasoning and what not got right, but I like, it's how I like mine. It depends on how you like yours. But let me know what you think of the mash itself.
What I think?
Yeah.
Texture, taste.
Yeah.
Well, it's a bit, because I've done with a little bit more butter or water in.
A little bit more butter or water.
It's a bit.
But does it taste like mash?
Yes, it does.
Better than the last one I done. It was like slop. You know,
last one was runny, wasn't it? Watery.
Does it taste better? Yeah.
That tastes better.
Right.
I can taste the seasoning in that.
Right. And taste that one. It looks a lot more like mash than the one I'd done before with the Yorkshire puddings.
Not everybody likes a bit of more extra water and butter, so...
Yeah, it depends how people like them.
That one's nice. This one... just a tiny bit too much salt in this.
A bit too much, yeah, but ignore the salt. What about the mash?
About the mash? It's nice. I like
Smash.
Anyway, yeah.
Which one would you prefer out of the two? Because there was cooked different ways.
This one.
That one. Right, let me have a little taste. prefer that one as well.
I prefer that one.
This one's a little bit more gloopy.
Yeah,
It's like a bit more glue.
Mm.
Gluey. Yeah, so maybe a bit more.
Yeah.
That one was done with milk. And it's a bit gloopier. That was done with milk. And it's a little bit gloopier. Maybe I didn't put enough milk in.
Some people like it like that though.
Well, some people like it.
But,
And that one was done with water.
but this one's nice.
But that,
Just
I prefer the one with water.
Just had too much salt.
Yeah, but that's just the seasoning. Everyone likes seasoning different, don't they? You do it to taste, don't you? But that, to the people in the chat, I do apologise about that last time. I absolutely do, because I've never made it before. Now I've done it with the kids when I was a baby, but I've never done it. So you was right. Well done you lot, absolutely well done. It is like mashed potato. And is it worth buying? Absolutely worth buying. Absolutely.
It's convenient, isn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, it was £2.50, but don't forget, shops do their own brand as well. But I wanted to get the original to test it, because I've never used it before. But the shops do their own brand for about £1, I think. So that's the thumbs up for me for the smash now. I don't know what I done wrong last time. Maybe a bit too much water, or not enough of this, or I didn't put any butter in last time. Maybe that's what the problem was, and not enough seasoning. But as I say, thank you very much for watching. It was just a revisit. Smash gets a thumbs up from me. I would definitely buy it again. But maybe I might next time try the own brand, because £2.50 is a bit expensive. But for an emergency, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.